Good morning, 7th class. Yesterday we started our topic one word substitution. Okay? And I gave you homework also that you will learn these all one word substitution that we have done today. And I think you are ready with them. Yeah? Okay. Let me ask some of them that can be heard clearly. Tell the answer fast. Oh, right. Audible. Very good. Happening or done once every year. Yes. Annual. Good answer. Fit or suitable to be eaten. Yeah. Speak answer. Edible. Right. Causing or ending in death. Yes, speak. It is fatal. Good. A person who is watching an event, especially a sports event. Yes, spectator. Very good. A word that means the opposite of another word. And what is the answer? It is antonym. Good class. Giving good answers. Very good. I think you all have revised them. You all have learned them. So today we are going to do the next page of the chapter. Let us see that. Okay, now see on the top. It is 18th number. Getting annoyed easily. Getting annoyed easily. And it is irritable. 19th number. Difficult or impossible to read. It is illegible. Always write in a legible hand. Some students they write illegible, so always write legible. That can be read easily. Now 20. Not knowing how to read or write. A person who do not know how to read and write, and that is called illiterate. 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 Now see, it is 21 number. Impossible or very difficult to do. Impossible or very difficult to do, and that is impracticable. Impracticable. Now see, the next is not likely to be true or happen. Not likely to be true or happen, and that is improbable. Improbable. Then having bad habits which cannot be changed or improved. Bad habits that cannot be changed, that cannot be improved, and that is incorrigible. Incorrigible. Now it is 24 number. Leaving a mark that cannot be removed, or impossible to forget or remove. Impossible to forget or remove, that is indelible. 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 Now see, it is 25 number. That cannot be divided into separate parts. That cannot be divided into separate parts, and that is indivisible. Indivisible. Not having the necessary qualification to have or do something, that is ineligible. Ineligible. That does not dissolve in a liquid. That does not dissolve in a liquid, that cannot be solved or explained, that is insoluble. Insoluble. 28th. That cannot be seen, it is invisible. That you cannot avoid or prevent, that is inevitable. Inevitable. The practice or the crime of killing a baby. The practice or crime of killing a baby, and it is called infanticide. Infanticide. Widely known for being bad. Notorious. Widely known for being bad, it is notorious. A person who always accepts good things to happen, that is, it is optimist. A person who always anticipates bad things to happen, that is pessimist. Pessimist. A child whose parents are dead, orphan. A child whose parents are dead, orphan. A person walking in the street and not traveling in a vehicle, that is pedestrian. Pedestrian. Liked or enjoyed by a large number of people. Liked or enjoyed by a large number of people, and it is called popular. It is called popular. Now you see, it is now we have come on number 37. Happening or done at the same time as another. Two things are being done at the same time, then it is called simultaneous. Simultaneous. A word having the same or nearly the same meaning as another, then it is synonym. Synonym. A person who does not drink alcohol, then it is teetotaler. Teetotaler. A person who had a lot of experience in a particular area or activity, then it is veteran, expert. A person who does not eat meat or fish, vegetarian. Vegetarian. That does not let water through, then it is waterproof. Waterproof. A woman whose husband is dead, widow. A woman whose husband is dead, widow. A man whose wife is dead, then widower. A period of 10 years, then it is decade. A period of 100 years or a score of 100 runs by one player in one innings, then it is century. Century. A person who eats too much, then it is gluten. GLUTTON, gluten. A long period of time when there is little or no rain. Very less rain is there, or we can say no rain, then it is drought. DROUGHT, drought. This is easy to carry or move, then it is portable. Portable. A child who stays away from school without permission, truant. Scientific study of plants and their structure, that is botany. That is botany. Okay, let me ask one or two. Difficult or impossible to read? Yes. Illegible. Good. The practice of killing of a baby. Crime of a baby, killing, then it is infanticide. A child whose parents are dead, orphan. A woman whose husband is dead, widow. A man whose wife is dead, it is widower. A period of 10 years, it is decade. That cannot be seen, it is invisible. I think for today this page is sufficient for you, and you do practice of it and do as much good you can do. You read them, you write some of them, you write the spellings, as spellings are very important. Just as the spelling of irritable, IRRITABLE, illegible, illiterate, impracticable, improbable, indelible, invisible, insoluble, notorious, optimist, pessimist, often, popular, simultaneous, then vegetarian, waterproof. So these spellings, they all are very important. You read them, you write them, and you learn them. Okay, tomorrow we shall continue the lesson and we shall do the exercise based on these one word substitution. Okay, bye for today. Bye students.